Your talents weren't given by accident. They were assigned for a reason. Here's why. Every one of us was designed with something special. There are things you can do that come easily to you. Those are your gifts. And the thing is, it was not given to you to impress other people. God gave us gifts so we can use them to serve other people. 1 Peter 4:10 says, "Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace." It doesn't say if you have a gift. It says each of you receive a gift. Some people teach, some people build, some people heal, lead, organize, preach, and encourage other people. Here's the truth. It's not just the pastor's job to serve other people. It's also up to you. And when you serve others, it won't drain you. On the contrary, it will fill you up. It will make you feel purposeful and fulfilled. Why? Because we were made for that purpose. What's one gift God has given you? And how are you using it to serve Him? Let us know in the comment section.